Hi there, students. To flunk. This is an informal verb meaning to fail a test, to fail an exam or a course. I flunked my English language exam. Not to pass. Notice, a teacher can flunk students and students can flunk an exam. So the teacher flunks the students and the students flunk the exam. Often students are worried about flunking their exams, except for some who are really good students and study really hard. Okay, so to flunk, to fail an exam. You could even say he flunked out of university. He failed university and left. Notice this verb to flunk, I think, is related to funk. And if you remember from the video Funky I made the other day, funk can mean fear. And then you can flunk out of something, to back out of something, because you are too frightened. You can also funk out. Yeah? He flunked out, he funked out. He was too afraid to do it. Notice this verb to flunk is of an American origin. However, this word is used all over the UK. It's a synonym for to fail an exam or something like that. Notice as well, to flunk is a regular verb. He flunked the exam. He has flunked several exams. And formality, to flunk, I'd probably give this a 4 in formality. It's great for an informal conversation, do use it there, but for something semi-formal or formal, I think I would prefer the verb to fail. So, to flunk, to fail an exam. The teacher flunked the student. He flunked out because he was too afraid. He funked out. So, there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and if you do, you won't flunk out in your exams, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Hi there, students. To flunk. To flunk is an informal verb meaning to fail a test, to fail an exam, to fail a course. I flunked my English language exam and I need to take it again. To flunk, not to pass. Notice, the teacher can flunk students and students can flunk the exam. So it works in different ways. Students are always worried about flunking their exams. Well, some students are always confident. The teacher flunked several students. Okay, so it's an informal word meaning to fail an exam. This word is of American origin, but it's widely used in the UK. To fail, to flunk, synonyms for me. But notice to flunk is very informal. Now, probably this word flunk comes from the word funk. I don't know if you remember from the video Funky I made the other day, where funk can mean fear, when you're frightened. So, to funk out can also mean to back out, I'm going to start this sodding video.